Yes, it's Janaka and we are doing some smoky eyes look today. So let's get started. You have to watch full tutorial, then you will be able to do full glam smoky eyes look. So yeah, let's get started. Clipping my hairs. Most of part हो गया. अब हम जल्दी से मेकअप स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो वी विल गो विद अवर फेवरेट मॉइस्चराइजर. एज यू नो आई हैव ऑयली स्किन, सो आई विल गो विद water based moisturizer. Okay, so moisturizer, and this is suiting my skin, so I will be using this, taking little bit and applying all over my face. Be applying some sunscreen over it, and then we will go with our forward step. So yeah, this dress is my birthday dress. I guess 2 to 3 years ago I bought this dress and I never wore in some function or any outside frock, and this is shrug that is inspired by Alia Bhatt in the song Kesariya, I guess. Yeah, so we will go with a further step, that is we have acne over it and we have to conceal it using which character? Green character. Yeah, I found my redness. वैसे तो I don't apply any corrector, but it is full glam black smoky eyes, so we have to do full glam and we need some coverage, so I have to apply this step. We have to wait for 5 to 6 seconds to just dry it out, and then we will go with recently brought and blender and I will blend it. Okay. थोड़ा सा कंसील हो गया. अब इसके ऊपर डायरेक्ट फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाना है. We will put concealer over this and to hide it and to just apply it. Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme, snares punch louder than the city's own chime. Boom that echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Any kind of primer because it don't suits my skin and it gives me pores. But if you have any kind of pores or something else problem, you can definitely use this and fill up your pores. So I will be using little bit amount on back of my hand and I will apply in my T-zone area where I get some sweat or something else. Let's do the sweat and through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story inside. We have to wait for just 2 to 3 minutes and then we will go with further step, that is to apply foundation, concealer, contour, blush and concealing my eyes. Because as proof that I have hooded eyes, that is hooded eyes, it is eyes that is so smaller, so cute, so खुद की तारीफ करना पड़ता है. Okay, so I have so many brushes over there, but I prefer blender because मुझे blender से ज़्यादा natural and all that stuff मुझे अच्छी blending हो जाती है. वैसे तो I use as a brush, but I prefer blender. These gritty vibes keep my story inside. लूज पाउडर का हाल क्या हो। यह इज जस्ट ब्लैक एंड काजल यूज होता है उसमें, बट यू नो इट हैज डिफरेंट टेक्निक, सो आई विल बी यूजिंग kajal on my upper lids, and then I will apply some brown color, then I will apply some black eyeshadow. So yeah, you stay with me and see how I'm doing that. You have to make just rough line, not a perfect line, okay? पहले मेरी आईज छोटी लग रही, but this eye look may kill anyone because this eye look I have made I think 2 to 3 ago or 3 years ago, and it might loved by people so much with proper blendable, okay? Black eyeshadow over it to make this kajal long lasting and smudge proof, because अगर ये लाइनर ऐसे ही स्वेट प्रूफ नहीं बन सकता क्योंकि अगर इस पर आई शेडो का पाउडर नहीं चला गया। Liner as you know कि कौन सा भी आई लुक हो, but if you don't apply liner, that look is so incomplete. आईलैशेस यूज नहीं करती क्योंकि मुझे आईलैशेस से बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, बट फॉर यू गाइस आई विल बी अप्लाइंग आई एक्सटेंशंस बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि उससे आईज बहुत अच्छी लगती है, बट मुझे प्रॉब्लम होता है, बट somehow anyhow we will manage it, and ऐसा हुआ I have to do it. दिख रही है क्या मेरी? So, see, this is my technique to apply contour. Your technique may be different, but you have to do as you like. As I have a chubby cheeks, so I think this method may might go on my face, but I think it not may might go on you. So go with your preference. Blend, 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 blend. Now I will be using no foundation. I will directly use some kind of tint to make my look beautiful. Okay, चलिए blend कर देती हूँ. Nose contour भी रह गया, but you have to do it. Brush नहीं मिल रहा है. किधर गया? किधर गया? I will be applying. Sorry, I will be using this brush and वैसे I don't use contour, but if you have nose like me, that is. So you have to go with contour. Because मुझे लगता है जो हेड से ब्लेंडिंग आती है वो किसी से नहीं आती. So pigmented, and this is brought by something so special for me. Oh my god. One, two, three. दे दो मेरा ये कॉन्टूर. To bake on my under eyes. If you have any kind of obsession with some highlighter, you can go with any highlighter. But as you know, I have suggested you if you have acne or any kind of dark spots or some kind of just, you can't go with highlighter because it pop it off your acne over it. But you have a technique to apply highlighter, you can definitely go with highlighter. So I will be using this kind of highlighter to highlight my pores. Orange kind of shade, orange, or you can say it is just a tint, and I will apply it on lips. It is from apply it. It looks good on my skin too. Makeup fixer and apply over. Why I was just dead somehow, but I have to manage myself. As I told you, कि आई विल बी टीचिंग सम हेयर स्टाइल। सो मुझे ही नहीं आती है तो मैं आपको क्या ही बताऊँ, but yeah, so I will suggest you to, just if you had a bags or cotton bags, you can simply those cotton bags just curl it and it will look awesome. Or you can go with any kind of hairstyle you like it. Okay, so yeah.
तो कुछ गुनगुनी सी होने लगी है सर्दियाँ, तुमसे मिले तो देखो शहर में खिलने लगी है
Yeah,
वादियाँ।
if you like this video, if you be able to do this kind of makeup look, so please recreate this and tag me on my insta. So this is my insta id, so you can go and recreate and I will be mention back you. So yeah, if you like this video, please like this video and do subscribe to my channel for this kind of fun kind of makeup looks, and we will do some Pinterest kind of makeup look in 1 to 2 days.